Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a McDonald's account using the McDonald's app. So if you want to access deals, rewards, and order food easily, just follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, make sure you have already downloaded the McDonald's app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for the McDonald's app, and download it. Once the download is complete, open the app on your phone. When the app launches, you'll land on the main page. Now look at the menu at the bottom of the screen, where you'll see several options. Tap on the three dots More option. After that, select My Account. Next, tap on Log In at the bottom. On this screen, you'll see two options, Log In and Sign Up. Since we want to create a new account, tap on Sign Up. You may see a few options to continue. Choose the available option and tap Continue. Now you'll start creating your account. First, enter your first name and last name. Once you've filled in those details, tap Continue. Next, enter your email address and create a password for your account. After filling in this information, tap Create Account. Now McDonald's will send a verification code to the email address you just entered. Go to your email inbox, find the code, and type it into the verification box in the app. Then tap Submit. After that, you'll be taken to another page where you can select your gender and enter your date of birth. Once you've added those details, tap Continue. And that's it! Your McDonald's account will be successfully created, and you can now start using the app.